In the lush jungles of Thailand, a digital nomad immerses in a life that combines work and nature. Each morning begins with the soothing sounds of birds and the rustle of leaves as they sip coffee on a bamboo balcony overlooking green valleys. They embrace a community of like-minded remote workers, exchanging tips while hiking scenic trails after work hours. Connectivity is often a challenge with sporadic Wi-Fi, but creativity flourishes amid the serenity. With each sunset, the vibrant colors spark reflection, blending productivity with the beauty of the natural world, illustrating the true essence of a nomadic lifestyle.